Okay, let's make a game. I'm not the best at making video games, but I do have a bit of experience. We're gonna be making a game from scratch. Let me get close the door here. We're gonna make a game from scratch. I've been getting pretty rusty over the past few weeks because I haven't been like coding and stuff, but whatever. You need to practice. If you don't practice, that's when you get rusty. So yeah, let's go ahead and start this. Pretty sure. Huh. Okay. What? How do I do this? Okay. Launch this. All right. Okay. Cool. Um. Yeah. All right. Let's take some time here. Yep. Okay. Ooh. All right. Hmm. Okay. So here we are. Let's go ahead and make. Let's go ahead and call this game. What do we call this game? I guess we should just call it. Okay. What do I want? I want to make a simple two-player game that's basic. It's competitive, but also like easy to pick up. Um, let's call it uh, g- g- gala fighters. Okay, good. Let's go. I'm great at names. All right, here we are. Huh. Oh wow, it actually fits this screen perfectly. But it doesn't fit that nicely on my other desktop. Seriously? Okay, fine. Okay, so this is Game Maker, right? You wanna like do stuff with it. So first things first, you gotta prepare a room. So let's go ahead and make a room. We double click room here, and here we are. We have ourselves a room. A room is sort of like, wait, can I not resize this? What? What? God damn it. Fine. I guess I can work with this. Um, a room size is like it's a room. Yeah, it's a room. Because I coded Unity instead. No, I want to do Game Maker. I want to do Game Maker today. Don't tell me what to do. Huh. Fuck. Here we go. Okay. You get to set your like width and height and stuff, and speed. Speed is like the frame rate of the room. Usually I set it to like 60 because 60 frames is usually like 60 is what I usually go for. By default it's 30, but you could do whatever you want. So yeah, this little button here playtests. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly test the room real quick. Oh, it's over here. Here we are. Okay. Usually I set it to about 16,000 to 900. 16,000? 1600 to 900, but I guess because I'm using a different desktop, I have to stick with this. Otherwise, it would be way too big. Hey GBA, we're gonna do this now. Okay, so here's the thing. There's this new update that has this splash screen and I don't like it, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. Where is it? Here we go. Screw you, I don't need you, turn it off. And okay, uh let's go ahead and import some sprites. You usually when you name your different sprites and objects, you want to name them according to category. So if it's an object, you want to name them like obj underscore etc. Or like since it's a sprite, we'll just go with SPR. You could do anything you want, but it's better to name them according to these so that you won't get confused later on. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm really lazy, so I'm just gonna reuse some sprites that I used for my previous game. You can't tell me otherwise. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Where do you make sprites to import into GM? There's a built-in sprite editor right here. Yeah, so you can like edit your own sprites and stuff and make like simple frame animations. And oh, what? It's out of the screen. Shit, I can't reach it. No. God damn it. Look, it's too big. Oh, god damn it. Oh, okay, fine. Here we go. You get to like edit on the spot and stuff, but I don't really like this. I just do it on like Photoshop first and then just import it. Oh, here's a bit of theory you need to know when you make sprites. If you want to make sprites that rotate, you want to make sure you point them in this way. Here, let me show you. I have an image for this. Here we are. GameMaker uses a set of angles that starts from the right side. And it's kind of weird. So this is 0 degrees. It's not from the top. It's from the right. Yeah, point sprites. You have to point the sprites to the right. And if you want to make it go up, it's 90 degrees. So it goes in an anti-clockwise fashion. Yeah, make the sprites in Photoshop first, and then import it. Let's call this one. Actually, you know what? Let's load a different sprite. If it's gonna be a two-player game, there needs to be two contrasting colors. So here we go. Let's call this one sprite player G, and we just set this, and then we just let it align to the center like that. All right. Okay. Now that we have our first sprite, we can go ahead and make an object right here. Player G. GIMP is like well, it's an old man. GIMP is like a poor man's Photoshop. It works fine too, but GIMP is free and Photoshop is not. Here we go. Okay, so this is your basic object maker, right? You can make all sorts of like, this is where the magic happens. Events and actions are like how do you say? Events is where like inputs and stuff happen, and actions is what it does when you do something. Say for example, if I want to like keyboard for example, and I want to make it do something when I press W for example. Here we go. So when W is being pressed, it will perform this set of actions right here. See, these are all the drag and drop functions. You get to like do stuff, you get to like create instances and make, oh whoa, it's over here? What the hell? It's like, you can make certain stuff appear on certain coordinates and stuff like that. You can make different sounds play. You can make them go into different rooms and stuff. This is where everything happens. But we're gonna be using like this most of the time. Okay, so my programming is not on point, so forgive me, but we are gonna be seeing a lot of bugs. Let's be honest here. Okay, so I'm thinking. Okay, I'm not sure what I want here. I'm not sure if I want them to move in a like a 4 directional or 8 like directional like movement. One more time, I'm lost. Like from the top, what our object properties are? Uh, here. This when you edit an object, there are events and actions. Events is like inputs. Like say for example, if you want to press the W key, it will perform this set of actions, and actions can vary from creating new objects to playing sound or like changing variables, for example. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of movement I want. A part of me wants like the asteroid movement. Like you press W and it moves forward, and then when you press A and D, it turns the ship. I'm not sure if I want that. That does sound pretty good, but in a competitive sense, do I want that? Something like this. Hang on. We made a game. We made a game that had this. Where is it? Where is it? Here we are. Oh my god, it's so big. What? Oh god. Something like this. You press the A and D keys to move your ship, and you hold W and it moves and it propels them forward. So it's kind of like drift like. I'm not sure if that's what I want, but like, yeah, you know what? We're gonna do this one. Let's see. What did I do again? I don't remember what I did. I'm gonna go open up my previous project file just to see what I did. Okay. Uh-huh. That's a that's an interesting code. I have no idea what this is. Huh, okay, so I think I understand what's going on. Do I? Did I apply physics on this thing? I guess not. I guess I can work with the stuff later, but this is the code I used. I am 100% sure I found this online. But I think I understand what's going on here. When the W key is being pressed, it adds the motion to the image angle. So if it's pointing like to the right, let me bring up that picture again. It's a nice little reference picture. I have it memorized, but I'm just gonna keep it on screen. Oh my god, where did I put it? I'm a genius. Here we go. Image angle, right? So if it's, say if your ship is pointing at a 90-degree angle, right? It will add motion to to like to the top, and if it's like pointing towards the 180 degree, it will move like left, for example. Then when that happens, it adds the speed. It adds the speed right here, and if it's more than like this one checks if it's more than 5, then it will set it to 5, so it doesn't accelerate way too fast. 5 is kind of slow actually, but that's fine. Let's see. All right, now we're gonna make the turning. And here we go, letters and A. Okay, since this entire code follows on image angle, we're gonna make it so that it turns, like the sprite like turns around. Yeah, we're gonna make the turning now. So image angle plus plus equals 2. Actually, four. Four should be fine. And okay, hang on, hang on. Okay. Then keyboard, the D, image angle minus equals 4. Should I play music? Yeah, I'm gonna play music. Hmm. This will do. Hope it's not too loud. Who are you other fools in this stream? What? Alright, let's test this out. Is the music too loud, by the way? Oh, right, jeez. When you make an object, right, you gotta put it on the room, otherwise you see nothing. Oh, oops. Here we go. So yeah, here we go. Simple and sweet. Okay. Now we just gotta... Okay, I would make a second player right now, but I'm not going to. What I'm instead going to do is create the second character first, but I'm not gonna put any sort of code inside, so I can copy and paste it later. Player M for player magenta. Yeah, it's basically another way to call the game's window. You could make like players go into, but essentially it's just the game's many screens. Yeah, I think that's what you call it. The many different screens. Like the menu is a screen. The options menu is also a screen. I'm not the best at explaining actually, now that you think about it. Hmm. Let's just make an empty object. Yeah. They always appear on my other screen. Okay. Cool. 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 Okay, now let's make bullets. Bullets that shoot out of the plane. So we have SPR, bullet G. I have like sprites all prepared and stuff already from like previous like games. Here we go. So you know what? Let's go ahead and create groups so that it'll be easier for us. And one more. Oh, whoops. Ah, whatever. Player. No, what? Bullet. Groups. Yeah, groups is just categorizing stuff. It's easy on the eyes. Oh, okay. Oh no, don't worry about it. It kinda like tests my knowledge on Game Maker as a whole anyway. What was I gonna do again? Oh right. Okay, player. Here we go. See, obj bullet G, and we set the sprites to this. Okay, now we want to make it so that whenever you press J, whenever you press the J key, a bullet will shoot out. So, bam, and here we go. Let's make it so that each time you press J, a bullet appears. So you go instant create xy obj bullet G. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Let's make it so that it moves forward and deletes itself when it's outside of the room. So uh wait, what? Hang on. Wait. Create, there we go. I'm not dumb. Okay, then you want to make it like move every no, what am I doing? God damn it. Step. You want to make it move, so yep. So and right. You need to create, and you want to set the speed to like 20. The direction should be set to the ship's image angle. So direction equals object uh kg angle. Here we go. Then when it reaches outside of the room, you kill yourself. Step. Step is step basically runs every like frame. So this thing is always on like it keeps running basically. It keeps on repeating itself non-stop. Go back to that instance you made. Which one? Player G? No, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do a VC right now. Yeah, okay. So I'm reading stuff. So here we are. Oh, it's kind of hard to see because the background is gray. Hang on. Let's go ahead and add a background. Let's see here. The wide glossary of shit I have here. I should have a background that I can use. Here we go. Wait, I didn't name it. VG Black Stars. That. Here we go. Much better. Where's that window? Here we go. Okay. So yeah, looks like a charm. There he goes. The room is pretty small now that you think about it, but oh well. Let's go. Let's continue. I want to make them bounce around. Now, I don't know how to make them bounce, so I'm just gonna go ahead and Google how to do that. Let's make ourselves a wall. SPR Trump. Okay, I don't have a good sprite for that, so I'm just... We're gonna put this outside of the screen anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Go ahead and do this. There we go. J Trump. Bam. Ugh. Yeah, I'm fine. What's that thing loading on the bottom? What? What? This thing? This thing is nothing much. It's just a compile window. It just like prepares a bunch of stuff for the playtest. Oh no, actually you can you don't have to make an if else statement. There's actually a built-in function for that. I'll show it to you later. Oh, that's a bit too small. Oops. Oh, god damn it. Change size. Wait, what? God damn it. Transform. Scale. Is this not the right one? Stretch. Yeah, it is. Whoops. Yep, here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and tile this. Here we go. Let's make it so that whenever it hits the wall, it like bounces off. So collision with Trump. There's a built-in code for that, I think. That's what I saw on, like, whether to enable advanced bouncing. Advanced bouncing? I've never used this before. Let's find out what it does. Yeah, the red thing is the boundary. I called it Trump. It reminds me of walls. Here we go. Oh my god, it worked. Holy shit. Wow, that is so cool. Oh, well, I should have been using this from day one. Oh my god, that is cool. I should have been using this from the beginning. Oh my god, it's been 1 year and a half. God damn it, I should have used this. I should have used this. God damn it, I feel like an idiot. Okay, fine, whatever. It's okay. I'm not mad. Not mad. Just, I'm fine. One line of code. This was all you need for bouncing. Ah. All right. So basically, what I do is that I make a sprite. This sprite is it's a wall. They act as a wall. So what I make it do every time it touches the wall, it bounces them, and it worked wonders. I really should have used this a long time ago. That would have helped me so much. Fuck my life. Okay, that's fine. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Not mad. Said I was mad. It's a function. Move, move, bounce, solid is it's a function. I have it activated here, so every time it bounces against a solid object, it will just bounce. Okay. Now let's make it. Let's go ahead and make ourselves the game part. Like you type exactly like that language. It knows you mean whatever you touches this, it bounces off. Yeah, correct. It's just a thing that like if you have this code, it'll just do. Oh, you want me to do this? I don't really get too technical with like. No, actually, I don't think it's called a function. I don't know what the actual terms are called. I just code, you know. I just type. I don't know much about the terms. So this is a thing that I do. We have ourselves a game brain. I call him Brian. It's a typo that I made a long time ago, but let's not talk about that. It's a story for a different time. Uh, this the game brain is where I pretty much make most of my variables. So let's go ahead and make a create event and throw in a piece of code. A Tamaneri, what? Okay, give me 1 second. Uh, there are three. There are different types of variables. Game brain. BRAIN. This is where all the magic happens. So there are different types of variables. There is the typical variables. So you can just call it whatever the fuck you want, and you can just define a thing. Say, so if I write this, SPB Giza will be this value here. It will be an integer. But if I put like quotation marks, it will register as sub COR. You know what those mean. You know what those are. Integers, strings, floats, whatever. Yeah. So let's go ahead and make ourselves our variables. So here's the thing. There's a variable that I love using, and it's called global. Global can be accessed from anywhere. So I use this a lot. So say for example, player G, uh, player GHP, for example. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna put an underscore there. Actually, just GHP will be fine. It'll be easy on me. And let's say 1,000. And the same one goes for magenta player 1,000. Let's go. Let's go ahead and say and press OK. And now I want to make it so that it draws a health bar on the right side of the screen. So we're gonna go to draw. We're gonna go to draw GUI. Okay. Why am I so thirsty? What the fuck? I'm talking so friggin' much. Ah. Okay. Now we're gonna be drawing a health bar, what GameMaker calls it. So here's the entire code. It's this long like code that you can find online. X1 is basically like, actually, you know what? I can just do this. X1 draw health bar is basically draw like a bar. It doesn't necessarily have to be health. It can be pretty much anything, but it's mostly like they expect you to use it for health, but you can use it for like a multitude of things. So we're gonna go ahead and like draw this health bar. So let's see here. Wait, where's my tab? Right, of course. I want this back. Thanks. So the left side of it, we can use since the size of it is 1024 in width, and I want it to be like say 32 pixels. We want to set the first coordinate, the x1 coordinate as 992. X1 is basically the left side of the health bar. Y1 is 0 because I want to make it so that it goes from top to bottom. X2 1024, and this one, what's the room size again? God damn it. 768. 768. Here we go. Okay. The amount is the variable which defines the total health, and this value is between 0 and 100. We're not gonna do that. We are going to do this. So I don't understand that advertisement. It's just the YouTube logo. Global GHP divided by 1000. This will give us 1%. and we multiply this amount by 100. That's how we game the system. Into trick we trick the system to do a 100% like thing. Back color is the back of the health bar. So take a look at this. Well, I can't. Oh wait, I can't bring it here. Oh no. Oh, I can. I can. The back color. Oh, I don't have it here. Shit. The back color is this one right here. This is your back color, and this is your like your max color. When your health bar reaches, when your health bar is at maximum, it'll be at a certain color, and when it's reaching zero, it'll be a different color. So since it's health, right, we want to make it green when it's full, and red when it's very close to zero. So for back color, we have a for all the colors in Game Maker, we have a nifty little like table for that. You can set many different colors, but they have certain like defining like colors. Take a look. So all these, they're all like set in motion already. You can use a hex code as well, but you have to like make color RGB and then you just give them like 3 values and stuff. So you wanna like just get on with it, you can just use these. To make it easier on you guys, I'll just use those. So C black, C red, C green. The direction is where the bar is anchored. We want to make it go from top to bottom. So direction is, according to this table, 3. Show back. We want to make it so that it displays the back, so it's at true. Show border, true, I guess. Take a look. It's not there. Wait. I think I messed this up. I'm pretty sure I messed this up somewhere. Let me try this real quick. Wow, I really forgot everything. Damn. Oh my god, I forgot everything. Shit. Oh my god. Hmm. Huh. I am dumb. Holy shit. What do I do? Oh no. We're gonna go ahead and just try something real quick. I'm pretty sure I messed something up somewhere. Found the right event. Let's just go ahead and try that real quick. That's strange. I don't know why is it like not displaying stuff. Oh, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna actually do this to the stream so that I don't have to constantly bring the freaking thing over. Just give me a second here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Much easier on my part. Yep, okay, perfect. But like, I don't know why the health bar won't like work right now. Pretty sure I messed something up somewhere. Let's see. Back color, min color, max color. This should be correct. Other than this part. You know what? Let's try this. 0 and 0032. I'm lost as well. Just give me a second. I have a huge part to cut out, don't I? Shit. I'm not sure why it's not working. Senpai, help me. There's a simple explanation to this, but I'm too stupid to figure it out right now. Huh. Oh god, fuck! Oh my god, I am stupid. It's because I didn't put this thing in here. It's fine. I figured it out. I am a dumbass. I'm the dumbass. Holy shit! I wasted everyone's time. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Holy fuck. Okay, fine. We did it. That's all we need. Oh my god, fucking kill me. Oh, oops. Let's go ahead and give ourselves some comments so we don't actually forget. Actually, we're gonna do like I'm thinking of like a stamina bar too, so you can't just really spam shots. So yeah, let's set this on the other side. So, bam, bam. Uh, apparently magenta is known as fucksia. So yeah, it's a rainbow circle thing. Don't question it. Here we go. Yeah, this is this is nice. It kind of blocks the screen a little bit, but you know what? Let's do this. I don't want the health bars blocking the screen. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's increase it by 128. So 4 plus 128. Ah, 1,500. There we go. What do I have two? Hang on. Do that. I think you'd be surprised about the most of my mistakes are the really stupid ones. I can do all the technical shit, but whenever I try to debug and I figure out the problem, usually it makes me want to murder myself. So there's that, fun. Oh god damn it, my mouse position is not on point today. This is partially why I'm bad at Gungeon. Damn it. Oh god damn it. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and replace the coordinates. Where is it? Please come out. Thank you. Minus 32. Here we go. Yep, I put it in the room so that yep, okay. So now the health bars won't block the players, which is a good thing. I want to include health bar and stamina. So yeah. Okay, so we have this so far, which is good. Let's make stamina. How much stamina do we want? Let's see. Let's do G stam. Let's say about 500. I can always change this value later. Oh yeah, 500. You read my mind. Okay, let's go ahead and copy paste this. One one two oh, and that's 1088. Oh whoops. Wait. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and like choose a color for the stamina. Usually I go for yellow, but let's see. Yeah, let's go for yellow. Whatever. Olive. Yellow. Olive. Yellow. 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 Here we go. Alright, this is fine and dandy. That's alright. Okay. Now let's make it so that each time you press uh you press the you press J, it decreases the stamina by like a little bit. Could you explain what variables to type for each spot? You could make up anything you want actually. Because I'm using integers, they're numbers. Numbers are easier to work with. What you want to use a string? You know, numbers. Is draw health bar and draw health bar is another global constant. It's a function. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, it's called a function. I double checked it. It's a function. I swear it's a function. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's called a function. Okay, here we go. Whenever you press J, it's going to decrease your MP for it's called stamina, but whatever. Alright, here's our first if statement. If global global gstam is more than or equals to this thing, let's say 50. Okay, now we need to make the curly brackets. So let's move this up a bit. All of these if statements always have these curly brackets, and I always forget them because I'm a dumbass. Instance create, and then we have to decrease the gstam by 50. Here we go. Else, do absolutely nothing. Usually, you know what? You don't even need this, but I'm just gonna leave it here just in case I want to do something with it. This stamina is also regenerable, so let's go ahead and do that. Step. Here's the stamina regeneration. Here we go. Global g stam. No, actually, if global g stam is more than 500, force this value back down to 500. We have to make it so that there's a max cap and it doesn't go too much. Else global g stam plus equals 1. Here's our regenerating factor. Our regenerating stamina, I meant, sorry. Go. Okay, it is decreasing, but it's not like because I'm fucking my dumbass forgot to change the values, didn't I? The variables, I meant. Yep. Jesus. Hey, what the fuck? Here we go. No more of that. I'll fix that later, don't worry. Yep, here we go. Alright. Let's go ahead and change it to make it so that it doesn't look like it's like halfway there. Okay. 500. 500. There we go. Yep. Let's see if it like goes beyond there. You guys like a good screensaver? Alright, it works. I can add friction later, but that's actually funny that it just keeps on moving. You just don't ever stop, do you? I'm gonna make it slam into it. Okay, okay, moving on. Okay. Back to work. This thing works, so which is okay. It's fine. It's fine. It works fine. So let's go ahead and make it so that it has friction, shall we? Okay. Every second reduce the speed by maybe just a very tiny amount. We don't want to make it too fast. It's like those DVD standby screens where the logo floats around. Yeah, yeah. You don't know how satisfying it is when it hits the corner and it's perfect. Um, that's a problem. See, here's the problem. It stops, but it goes backwards. No, okay, we're going to need a different method. I wonder if there's like a motion reduce. You know what? No. It works perfectly fine. It's just that I just have to make it so that it doesn't go below that number. The easy way out. Uh, shit. Yep. Okay. Now it stops. There we go. A little bit slow though. We want to make it faster. Just a tiny bit faster. A lot of this is pretty much trial and error. You just play around with code and then you hope it works. Oh, because of that, its overall speed also kind of like slowed down. Okay, it's being reduced too much, so let's cut that speed by half. I still want to make them bounce though. I still want to make them bounce around and stuff. I want to make that. I want to make that an actual thing. Like it's a strat to bounce against the walls. You need to bounce the walls to win. Okay, enough of that. All right, let's make it go just a little bit faster. So, oh, it got dark in my room fast. What the hell? Uh, Okay. Alright, that's fine. Okay, this is alright. I'm okay with it. Maybe just a little bit more for the max speed. I feel like it turns a little too fast. I could work with this actually, but hmm. You know what? I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. There we go. Have you seen space drifting like no other? Look no further. I think the regenerating should be fine. So it teaches players not to spam, but to aim like their shots. I want to make it so that they can see it coming. I want to make it so that they can see it coming. So like, yeah. I got a nifty plan. Yeah, I know what to do. Okay. So instead of speed, we got gravity. Gravity, that's right. Like, not that kind of coming, you. Eh. Like, coming as in, like, it doesn't, like, go fast right away. It slows down at first, and then it starts moving fast. So, I forgot how gravity works in Game Maker, so I'm gonna check it out real quick. Oh, I can just set it? Like that? All instances have a built-in properties, etc., etc. Oh my god! Bye! I forgot how strong this thing is. Yeah, something like that. But like, let's make it so that it goes towards the direction, please. Hmm. Do you think this is a good idea? Maybe a little faster though. Yeah, so they can do something like, I'm gonna go like that, and then they go boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so it doesn't like go fast right away, but it gradually picks up speed. Yeah, that's the part I'm looking for. It gradually picks up speed. It starts off slow, but it picks up speed fast. Yeah, I'm okay with this. I'm okay with that actually. Uh, okay, now let's code it to make it deal damage. We have our test object here, so let's go ahead. First things first, we want to decrease the HP by a tiny bit. So minus equals is 1000 HP, so about 15 should do the trick. And let's see, oh yeah, let here's a nice little thing that I like to use. Effect, create, fire. Oh no, it's just effect create, I think. Oh no, here it is. Effect create above, EF firework. Oh wait, I'm using the entire function wrong. EF firework XY 1 C green. Then kill yourself. I'll set the hitboxes on the ships later. Yep. Check that out. So you can go like, you can't hit me, but I can hit you. Pew 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 pew, bitch. It's not green though. I need to remember that it's lime. Oh, spew effects? Game Maker has a bunch of those. You can use that at your disposal. Here we go. You use these, and then these are all like the possible like effects that you can have. Like say like effect cloud, effect rain, effect ring, effect explosion, effect firework, effect star. Then they will like spawn different particles and stuff. My favorites are ring, explosion, and firework. Those are the three I usually use. Star is nice too, but you know, they just sort of appear and then zoom out and disappear. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Do I want to make HP regenerable as well? Yes. I can. You know what? I'm actually gonna copy paste this and replace it with M so I don't have to do it later. Just so my dumbass doesn't forget. GHP, GHP, replace the max, added by a small amount, just a very small amount. It's regenerating, but like you wouldn't see it unless you know you wouldn't get hurt for like a bunch of times. I accidentally pressed insert. Whoops. Here we go. Wait, what? Oh, oops. M. What's MHP? Is the variable I defined. Here we go. Whoa, 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 what the fuck? Oh, it's instantly gone. Shit. Okay, something went wrong then. Uh. No, it wasn't homing. I just have very amazing aim, as you can tell. Everything should be right. Oh my god. Ah, here we go. Oh, it's regenerate. No, 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 no. That's too fast. Okay, it is regenerating, but is it fast enough? Actually, I want to make this bigger. Yeah, alright. This is much better. Hopefully you guys can see a little clearer. Yeah, it's regenerating fast. A little too fast if you ask me, but I'm not sure if this is okay or not. Let's go ahead and kill this fool. Slowly but surely. Come on. That is sick trick shot. Oh, look at that. Bam. Bam. I missed all of them. Yo, I'll be pretty sick at this game actually. Look at that. Aiming at a stationary target. Shit. Yep, see? It's regenerating kind of fast. Combined with what little stamina you have, it makes sense. But yeah, with that little stamina, I think it shouldn't regen that fast. Maybe just a little bit less. Just a little bit less. A little more, a little lesser. Just a tiny bit lesser. Yep, it's pretty slow. I think I can take that. It's like increasing by like 1 pixel per like how many seconds? I think that's alright. I think that's okay. Okay. Uh, wait, hang on. Okay, so I'm a like it's actually like put the ships where they are, so I don't actually have to do anything about it. Let's see. This is the middle, 384. Here we go. And then we'll just turn this 180, and there we go. Now, now we have no actually no. I'm gonna make one over here and one over here. So if they can't just shoot each other right away. Here we go. They will have to turn, and still, it's like the furthest point from two diagonals is like How often will you actually get a shot in, you know? Now that's fine and dandy, but we can go like a step further. Let's go ahead and like put weapons. Like you can have single shots, sure, but let's have like many different stuff. This sprite that I accidentally created, let's go ahead and use that. SPR WPN try shot. Yeah, spread shots, definitely. Let's see, do I have like a... I think I have a spread shot sprite just lying around here. Maybe? Oh, probably not. Oh no. No, I definitely have one. I just need to look for it. 1 second, folks. Just give me some time. Let's see. Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Here it is. Okay. Nice. Oh, it's so big. Okay, let's change this. Can we crop it? Yeah, we can. Then we can stretch this 64, 64. Now let's go ahead and color it black and white. It'll be better than the original, but yeah, obviously we gotta reduce the stamina, like no, increase the stamina cost. There we go. Oh, oops. Uh, I don't like using the sprite editor a lot, to be honest. It's you you're better off with Photoshop. Oh my god. Okay, I don't like this thing at all. Oh god damn it! You can't even like hold shift to make it so that you don't like go out of like your straight line thing. You know what? Screw it. Let's just make one from scratch. Where's the paint bucket? Here we go. Let's have ourselves a yellow. Oh, it says onion skin. I didn't realize that it says onion skin. What the hell? Uh, what color is contrasting on white? It's not yellow, that's for sure. That's too bright. Make it just black and white. I guess red would do. I'm not gonna bother too much with the sprites. I'll make better ones. I'll make better ones, but as of now, this will do. Okay, now let's make the power up. Let's make a new group first. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. New group. There we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and move everything to the top here. Come on. There we go. Let's put this. Oh, I had to make the object first. Right, sorry. OBJ WP and try shot. There we go. Let's see. On collision with the player, I want to give them the try shot. So, okay, we gotta make like a state. Like what state is the ship currently in? So let's go ahead and do this. Global G WPN. Okay, let's use the simple code. Simple like things to refer to. Well, all right. Let's go with normal. Actually, without caps, it'll be easy on my part. There we go. Now we'll go ahead and do this. Global G WPN equals try shot. And effect create above EF ring XY 1 C line, and then kill yourself. Okay, now we'll go back to our player object here. We're gonna change this. We're gonna change this to modify. We're gonna modify this. That's the word I'm looking for. Shot determiner. So like normal. Okay, and then try shot. Actually, I'll do this so it's easier on my part, so I can easily refer to it. Uh, you have 500, so let's do once. One, two. How many can we fit in? I don't want it to be that much, so we'll say 125. I'm gonna do a little like change here and do 2 more bullets. Okay, image angle plus 35. BJ bullet G L. Yep, okay. And then we duplicate another one. Except this one will be minus. Okay, now let's give that a shot. But before we do that, before we do that, I forgot that we had to do like that's going to just spawn everything. So I had to do this. And global G weapon. Actually, you know what? I gotta bracket this up first. Equals normal. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, you know what? I don't have to. I can just move this up. And then do else if. Then I'm pretty sure if I set any other variable other than like the ones that are told to them, like try shots. I'm also planning a slow shot. It's slow, but it hits like a truck. And oh my god, I keep forgetting what I needed to do. There we go. Run it. Okay. Oh, I forgot the debug key. Hang on. In all of my games, I always put in the debug key. How do I do the try slosh again? Just give me a second. I wanna see if it works first. Key release, function key F10. Show quest. Actually, I'm not sure if this is the right one. Question maker. Oh, it's not this one. Sorry. Yeah, it's this one. Get string weapon for G equals 3 and then normal. There. Now we can do this. Oh my god, it's a pain. G weapon equals this. Bam. Now we can switch weapons whenever we feel like it. Oh, so you don't have to like constantly like go back into your code and change values. You can just do it directly from the game itself. Like, check this out. Can you guys see it? Oh damn, you can't. Fuck. Uh, this showed up. This little like pop-up will show up every time I hit F10. See? Sure we. Not that you think about it, I have this freaking overlay thing, which is which is a nightmare. It just makes it easier on me, so I don't have to like switch the code back and forth. Alright, so we have our normie shot. Let's switch it to try shot. Yes! Perfect. Oh, it's a bit white though. Works like a charm. Okay, here's how I did the try shot. Basically, I have a bullet, and because of the way I coded it, I made it so that it set the gravity directly in the bullet itself, which is a stupid stupid mistake, but that's fine. I used an alternative solution and duplicated the bullet. Then I changed the code slightly to make it angle itself like slightly to the left or right. In fact, I'm gonna change this. Then after that, after I made the modified bullet objects, I spawned them in this code as separate entities. So there are three bullets that are being spawned. One normal one that fires forward, one that angles itself to the left a little bit, and the one that angles to the right a little bit. I could probably make the thing pop up. Maybe? Let's see. Window capture, where is it? Game pop up. Yep, it worked. Okay, perfect. Look at that. Okay, great. So I don't have to like, okay, good, good. I'm so good at this. uh, try shot. Bang! Wait, what? Oh dear. Alright, that's fine. It's alright. Simple mistake. I want to make it so that if they take the weapon, they're gonna have to commit to it. Oh fuck! Shit! Nor. Well, there we go. Does that mean that if I try to put an error in this one, it just straight up doesn't work? Pancakes. Yep, can't fire no more. Okay. Bam. Let's see, what else can I add? Oh yeah, the slow shot, right. Let's go ahead and add that. Uh, big. Nope. Big. G. Bullet. Big. G. Oh, I have to travel all the way back. Here we go, and here we go. Give it to me. So many folders. Here we go. Okay. Actually, you know what? Big get. There we go. Oh, you know what? I might as well take this time to do how do you like import sprite sheets? So here I have I made myself a green pixel explosion. It's not mine. I got it online. Don't get me wrong. I didn't draw it. Um, explode G. What you need to do is that you need to load the sprite. No, actually, edit sprite, and then you go to create from strip. Then you choose the file from, is it right here? So yeah, so now I'm importing a sprite sheet now. So you need to know your images dimensions, in which I don't. Give me some time. Jesus Christ, I'm so unprofessional. Oh, jeez. Okay, this thing is 128. 128? That's big. And bam, and bam. Okay, there we go. And it will just slice everything up for you, and there we have it. I'm gonna stretch the animation though, because I think it will fly past really fast. Damn it. Stretch. 10. Yep, and it will do it automatically for you. Jesus Christ. Oops. There we go. And then stretch. 10. There we go. Now we have our explosion sprite. We can go ahead and replace our uh we can go ahead and replace our firework effect. I like the firework effect more, but yeah, it's more better to have something that you can visually look at that looks similar. Why does that advertisement play? I don't understand. So here's a little thing I like to do. Whenever I make these little explosion effects, I make an object and call it EF. And then we load the sprite. Now I make it so that on create, I want it to run through its its I want to run through its index. And I don't want to make it autoplay. That's the opposite of what you want. So image speed 0. Image index is like the frame number. So say if you want it to start at image index 3, for example, that means the first sprite that you will see will not be this dot, but you will see it when it's like that. Image speed is uh how fast it will go. I usually just use this to just make sure it doesn't autoplay. And then alarm. Alarms are basically things that happen on a set interval. Time on a set time interval, my bad. Image angle plus equals 1. If image angle is more than or equals to 10, instance destroy, kill yourself. There we go. This Now we have our little effect. This thing will turn up and go away on its own. So instead of effect create a book, we're going to change it to instance create Fucking wow, what's it called? Effect explode G XY. No, in fact, that's completely wrong. You want to put the XY first. Here we go. Let's go ahead and change it for the other one. This is the same song. Whatever. Right. There, did you see that? Uh, wait, what? That's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to explode. Hang on. I messed something up somewhere. Oh, my dumbass set it to image angle, didn't. Ah, index, not angle. I'm an idiot. If this is how I'm doing tutorial videos, I'm going to throw everyone off track. There. See that? Not as big as I thought, so I might make it bigger. Let's make it bigger. In fact, let's make it like 15 frames. And make it 150. Keep the aspect ratio. At least the one thing they do properly is resizing. Stretch 15, stretch 150. And then we have to go ahead and change that. There we go. So that's how you make like explosion effects and other effects that aren't in Game Maker itself, and it's like from a sprite sheet. I kind of like it when it's 10 frames actually, now that you think about it. This one just feels a little too sluggish. Yeah, let's change it. Or not. You know what? Yeah, let's just remove a couple frames, that's all. Yeah, remove the wrong one. Uh-oh. Whoops. Oh no, it's correct. Don't worry about it. I hope. Maybe. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, okay. my god, I can't shoot for shit. Yep, alright. That I'm alright with this. Okay, now let's make the slow shot. This is the shot that's supposed to do lots of damage. Lots of damage. But because it's such a big ass shot, actually how big is it? It's only 128. Let's make that slightly bigger. Just slightly. Oh shit. um Oh no, don't crash my program. Oh no. It's fine. We are okay. Yeah, okay. It looks kinda unnatural, actually. Can I do this? Oh frick, it doesn't like show me where's the middle. This sucks. I'll just have to make a wild guess. Yeah, that's alright. No, it's not. Jesus. Hmm. Wish it would show like a grid. It would have been so much better, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and do this, so I don't have to work with the other one. Oh, there's just one problem with GameMaker. All of their shortcuts are all over the place. When you work with GameMaker, you know what I'm talking about. But ugh, sometimes it's just infuriating. Sometimes it's Shift Delete, sometimes Alt D, etc. It's crazy. I can't tell if this is the right color. That stuff's a little weird with that. I think it is. I hope it is. Alright. Let's see. Sorry, I was looking at something. Let's go ahead and do this. OBJ beget G. Nope. There we go. Alright, they pretty much follow the same fashion, so I'm gonna copy paste most of the stuff here. Right, you can't do that. This one's like hacking slow, so yep. This is going to hurt a bunch, right? So let's see, about a good 100, a good 100. No, 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 no. 70 should do it. No, 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 80. And it needs like a good deal of impact, so we do uh plus random range. Let's see, minus 10 comma 10. No, actually that's too much. 5 and maybe 5. There we go. There we go. We're gonna make lots of explosions happen. Okay, now let's add that to the arsenal, to the shot determiner. Here we go. Beget. We have 500, so somewhere around 265. Beget. There we go. Alright, first let's make sure our try shot still works. And which it does. Now we do beget. Okay, okay. I want to make it like really cool and it passes through the guy. But I think it needs more this. There we go. Okay, is there a way to turn off like collision hitboxes? In fact, let's make this collision a little smaller. 68, 88, 91, 2, 92. Precise. Oh, that's nice. 78. There we go. I think that's alright. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna Google up and see if I can turn off hitboxes. Huh, okay, no, we're not gonna do this one. Oh, okay, okay, there's a simple way to do this. Okay, from what I saw online, this might not work, by the way. Don't do anything yet. We have an empty sprite right here. Then what I'm gonna do is that if it hits this guy, it won't kill itself, but it will set the mask index to the empty sprite. So it will read the sprite of it will read the collision mask of the empty sprite, in which it is nothing. I hope. We get. Hell yeah, it worked. Yeah, alright. I'm okay with this. But like, the explosions are so bad. 5, I guess? It's because I didn't randomize the seed, of course. Wait, I should do that in game brain. Random mice. Whenever you try to do anything random, like random range or like a random generator, it's quite important that you have randomize as your first line of text, so that it randomizes the seed every time you play the game. Otherwise, it'll just keep on giving you the same it'll just keep on giving you the same output, which gets boring after a while. So you don't want to do that. Where's the instance order? Here, to make sure that Game Brian's all the way at the top. I don't know why the text looks like that, but I'm pretty sure it looks alright on your side. If you're asking what instance order is, you have a bunch of objects on screen, right? You're setting it so that, like, in order, which one are they spawning? They can only spawn one at a time, so they're spawning like different objects and starting the room one by one. So if certain code doesn't exist at first, and it gives you an error, you might want to move that instance with that variable like up. So let's go ahead and beget. Did it hit twice? Oh, it hit twice. Oh dear, that hurt. I wonder if I should leave that there. I missed. Holy shit. Yeah. If you want, I can make sprite empty like a 0 pixel item. Maybe I can do that. I can't. Damn. I guess I can make it so that the lucky hit is like 1 pixel. Big get. Yeah, I mean, if you don't move, then obviously you're gonna take like colossal damage. But yeah. All right. Now all that's left is to code the power up. Like we want to make them appear. So let's go ahead and duplicate this. Uh, weapon beget. No, we're just gonna edit this. Like, it's quality art right here. No, 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 no. I want it to look presentable at least. There we go. It looks like a face. Why do everything I draw look like a face? Stop it. Whatever. I'm back up, right? Am I? I'm not sure. Okay, I am. That's good. That's good. That's fine. God damn it. There we go. Simple enough. I'm not gonna bother to draw good right now. Let's go ahead and duplicate this. Get. Gonna call it a baguette. Wait, no. There we go. Yeah, sorry. I'm back now. I hope everything is okay now. Baguette. Then we'll make another one. Yee. Because there's stamina involved, I think it's okay to have a normal like weapon as well. Go ahead and do this, and there we go. Actually, let's go ahead and like make it so that the pink player can collect it too before I forget. C. Fuxia. There we go. Wait, is this correct? Normal. Okay. Duplicate collision with player M. Fuxia. That's how you pronounce it, right? Fuxia. I'm kidding. It's pronounced Fushia. Is it pronounced Fushia? Well, whatever. I'm still gonna pronounce it as Fuxia. It's easier for me to remember that way. Fuxia. Okay. Now let's make the random like object the random spawner. The randomized spawning. Let's go ahead and check the dimensions real quick. 96. 156. Okay. Uh Ryan, get over here. No. Let's see. Let's set the alarm. Shit. Every 4 seconds, 4 to 5 seconds, 4.5. Oh, I need a calculator. 3 times 4.5. So that's 270 frames. No, it's a color. Fuchsia's a color. it's it's like magenta, but I think at a pinker shade. Uh, Wait, what am I doing again? Oh, right. Fucking randomized spawning. So, in. Okay, here's the thing. Let's make the. Let's make one appear every like few seconds. So, spawned item equals choose obj wpn. Let this thing appear for me so it's easier. Obj wpn. There. Choose basically choose is a function that picks from different like object. You can like it's I mean well the choose is you define a bunch of stuff. You define a bunch of stuff. It chooses one for you. That's pretty much it. Then okay, now then we create the instance. Instance create random range 96. Hang on. 1056. then random range again. Wait, 32 to 136. What am I doing? 736. There we go. Then spawn item. Then after that, reset the alarm. Okay. Now we'll just copy paste all of this stuff for the green player and we should be done. Change this to collision with the green player. There we go. Oh, I forgot to change the sprite. Here we go. Bam. Bam. There we go. Move this down. Let's go ahead and duplicate that. OBJ bullet ML. This is the one where we make it turn a little bit. It's 30, right? I'm not screwing myself over. Yeah, it's 30. Okay. Yeah, that's why I didn't want it to do the pink ones first, so I can just copy paste everything. It's much easier that way. Uh, OBJ bullet MR. And that should be it. Now we take this, duplicate that. BJ, nope. Effect explode M. Nothing should be changed here. It's the same one. See, what am I missing? The baguette, right? Dupe that. OBJ get M. Yeah, you can duplicate and everything will be transferred. It's super cool. Change to collision with the green player. G. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the freaking explode. I'll do that later. Oh. Oh wait, I already did. Whoops. Okay. Last but not least. Everything that's in here. P. 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 C. Change to... This is A, right? So keyboard left. C. P. Change this to right. C. P. Change this to up. CP. Change this to numpad 0. And now we just change everything to suit the the magenta player. Oh, I'm missing MR. Whoops. Missing bullet MR for some reason. Oh, I called it mullet. I'm a genius. Okay. That should be all of it. Let's test. Yep. Okay, it's working so far. Give me the baguette. Give me the baguette. There we go. Okay, now let's test for the other player. Oh, fuck. Shit. Uh, wait. Oh, god damn it. Alright, hang on, hang on. Let me fix this real quick. Sometimes it's just the simple things you overlook, so don't worry about it. Oh, for the back. God damn it. Okay, let's try this again. It's alright, I got this. I fixed it. Oh, it doesn't spawn the thingy. Damn it. Alright, I'm pretty sure I messed this up somewhere. End weapon normal. It's correct. Did I seriously forget or some shit? Yes, I did. Yep. Fixed it, fixed it. This but a simple change. Yep. Everything works as intended. Just one little problem though. Just one little problem though. I just need to switch the two health bars back and forth. Uh, C lime. C. Fuck! Yeah. Okay. There we go. There, it's much easier for the eyes because I was looking at my right side and I saw that my stamina was max, but it really wasn't. Alright, give me a second. Okay, I think the power-ups is spawning a bit too fast. So let's make it a little bit slower. Uh, maybe 6 seconds of wait what? 6 seconds, 360. So why do I need a calculator for that? That's actually pretty simple math. Okay. All right. It missed. God damn it! I missed the stationary target with the big shot. All right. What did you put down to make the powers randomly pop up? Here it is. First I set an alarm for 4 seconds, 4.5 seconds. After 4.5 seconds passed, it will run the first alarm, which is this one. Then it will choose between three weapons right here in spawn item, and it will create the instance based on a random X. Is it a random map constant? Well, it's random range. It will spawn it on a random X axis and on a random Y axis. And then instead of spawning it at 4.5 seconds, it will spawn at 6 seconds instead. Oh my god! My screen went off. Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. An alarm is kind of like a set time interval. So an alarm, choose between three weapons to spawn it on a random X and Y axis. So that means it spawns at some random spot. Yep, correct. It's what else? Oh yeah. I want to make it so that the stamina shows up a different color to tell them like, hey, you don't have enough mana for this. Okay, okay, I know what to do. Hmm. I should have just made it in the thing. Yeah, I want the stamina to be red to show that you can't fire at this amount of stamina. So let's go ahead and do that. Everything's already set in motion though, so I'll see what I can do. Okay. Okay, let's go to the game brain. To our draw GUI right here. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Okay. Let's go ahead and copy all of this. do that. But instead of like, okay, this is gonna be a doozy. First of all, let's get rid of this. I should probably close the door. There we go. Let's go back here. Copy this. We're gonna be copying a lot of code right now. Go back to this. If this is more than that. Okay, I'm gonna make a new variable real quick. Uh, Olive. Alright, I got a clever thing going on. M equals C olive allow G equals C olive else allow G equals C maroon. There we go. Then we close off the bracket. Remember, always include your curly brackets. Don't be like me. Don't be like me and forget. Here we go. It's quite a long piece of code actually. It's a bit messy. Then we'll do this. Okay, let's test to see if this works. Alright, thanks. Doesn't. Oh man. Alright, let's try with a different weapon though. Alright, it's not working, but I'll figure something out. Hi. Run along. Yeah? Making this was all on your own time, right? Yeah. This wasn't part of the wasn't an assignment? No, this one was. Yeah, this is all part of my own time. I decided to do this on my own. Because, like I said, if you don't practice, you get rusty, so. This is like a recap for myself. Why isn't it working though? This is weird. Okay, we're gonna do a little something like. Wait, okay. Here's a debug method. If you think like a code wouldn't run, do show message pizza. And what it does is that it will show a message, and this is basically how I check if the code will the code like run in this specific portion. If the message pizza doesn't come out, it means it won't come out. What can you tell me about extensions? Extensions, I don't really use them that much, so I can't tell you much there. It is giving me the pizza prompt, but why isn't it turning the thing red? Actually, you know what? Let me try this. Try shot. Yeah. You see this on the right here? I I am amazing at my job. The reason why it didn't work was because I put it in the wrong place. I have the most interesting mistakes. Here we go. No more of that. God damn it. Yeah. I do those kind of message to pinpoint like where a code isn't running, or like whether it runs or not. All right, nice. Let's do a little more though. I want the entire thing to turn red. But from what I see, it's just a gradual change. Yes. Yes. And okay. Yes. C olive. By the way, I have an entire draft of Gmail of notes I took over this thing. I just kind of delete for. Oh, okay. It's alright. Alright, now I just gotta close off my brackets. Alright. Well, I only know like GameMaker stuff. I don't know much of any other programming language that, like C Sharp. I don't know that. I'm planning to do that soon. Yep, okay. You. Ew. Why is it olive though? Isn't it yellow? Okay. Now we just copy paste this code for the magenta and we are done. And all that's left to do is dying. The game over. M M M M M M M M M M M M M. Uh, no, it's not supposed to hit twice, but whatever. I'm leaving that in as a feature. Oops. So much damages. Whoa, that hurt. Jesus. Also, I realized a fatal mistake. They 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 kind of blow up in green. This really does kind of remind me of the good old days with constant dread and anxiety whether or not I could pass the class or not. That's pretty much every day for me. Wait, I did it right, did I? Wait, what? Am I hallucinating or? Come on, give me the baguette. Alright, there we go. Everything seemed to be working fine. Something was off a while ago. I'm not sure. I'm gonna wait for the baguette to spawn. There, did you see that? Why did it flash in green? Oh fuck. Wait, what? Oh shit. No! What the hell? Oh crack. Okay. I need a reset button. Function key F5. Restart game. Where is it? There it is. I'm just staring at the green guy. Why did it flash in green? Alright. I don't know what causes it, but whatever. Oh, I'm missing. You know what? To encourage people to like keep on collecting like items, right? It should restore their energy. So global G um G stam. There we go. Plus equals plus plus equals 250. At least half of their energy. No, actually, 225. 225. This will encourage them to like keep collecting the items because it keeps on like it gives you energy back, and you need energy to shoot people. It's a common fact. It's a common fact that if you shoot people, they die. So obviously you want to do that, but not in real life. Don't shoot people in real life. You go to fucking jail. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. And Lord and behold, you need those $200. There we go. Oh, that's right. A health item. Understandable. Have a great day. SPR, weapon, HP. A med kit, actually. That's what you call it. Open that. Now we get rid of all of this. So bad. God damn it. One will find it hard to believe that I do pixel art. Whatever. like an alcoholic drink. We're doing a med kit item. It restores health because you need health to live. Yeah. But I'm thinking like it's so good. It's it's gonna be quite good. So say about it restores about we don't want to restore too much. Restore about 150, not too much. But doing so will reduce the stamina to 0. I think that's a good enough consequence. M HP plus equals 150 and change that to 0. Here we go. And yeah, now we just gotta spawn it in. I have another one. I have one last one. We have med medkit and obj space mine. Go ahead. Let's go grab a space mine. This is not a power up, but it's more like a it's more of a hazard than anything. You, you can't just like constantly run into stuff and expect to get good stuff. Sometimes sometimes you just need to be careful. So here we have a space mine. You touch it, you blow up. Let's make it small though. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's too much. 15 maybe. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. Well, that's the joy of creating games. You just keep on adding more and more stuff and be like, whoa, I can do this. Oh, I can do that. You just keep on adding more and more, and that's what's like that's where it gets really fun. I like that part of creating games, where you can just do anything you want. The world is your oyster. You can do it. You can do what the hell you want. Whatever the hell you want. I just realized that this thing had the wrong sprite. There we go. Let's not reduce too much, but I want it to be a consequence. There we go. Bam. It can be a bit of a detriment, but I trust in you to constrain when needed. Of course. Um, one time I got way too ambitious, which was ultimately my downfall. I think that was like one of the worst like pieces of shit I've ever made in my life. Okay, let's run into that thing. There, the a thing happened. That's so weird. What is that? I don't know. Uh, okay. Oh, oops. It happens to the best of us. Spawn the space mine. I forgot to test the health pack. Damn it. There we go. I think it works. I think it's alright. To sacrifice for health, you will be able to shoot for a while. I think that's alright. Wow, that's shredded. I have a feeling that that's not supposed to happen. Oh well. Why does it hit so hard on every corner? I don't know, man. It doesn't do that. Uh, let's try that again. Baguette. It only hits once. What the hell? Maybe I had to hit from afar. So weird. I accidentally collected some others. What the hell? Ow! Oh my god, why? Did I forget to modify the mask or something? No. What? Why does it do that? One second. Huh? What's in here? Okay. I don't know why. This is a weird one. I'm just gonna leave it at that, actually. Screw it. What else is there? I think there should be more. I'm gonna do this. Hang on. Alright. More often spacemans will appear. Okay, now for the final stretch. The dying. The dying. You reach zero health, you die. You die, you go bye. Die the ding. If GHP is less than or equals to 0, instance destroy. Actually, no. I'll do it on the thing itself. What's this? Oh. Uh, move it down, move this up. Effect, create, above, if explosion, xy, 2, c, green. The music, it's great. Sometimes I use it to sleep. If you listen to it while it rains, it's a super calming experience. What would GHP? There we go. Wait, did I do something wrong here? No, I didn't. Okay. Oh. Oops. Uh, maybe not, cause again, my goal is to make sure that the game file is less than 8 MB, so I can send it through Discord. If I add audio, I think it will add to the size. Then again, I really do want to put music and sounds into it, but that'll take way too much time. I had to go anyway. Okay, let's test this out. Forget. Okay, nice. Let's try it for the other guy now. I missed every shot. Come on. I'll fucking shred you now, bitch. Nice. Now it hits like a soft. What? What? Oh, there we go. Okay, it works. I want to make the cool thing where if they don't detect, like, if they don't detect the guy, it just decreases like mad. Let's see. Object. Instance exists. Here we go. M. There we go. And then minus equals 5. Big big big. Oh, it's not decreasing though. Damn. Let's try this again. Okay. Beget. Or it does decrease. What the hell? Why didn't it work the last time? There's the big it. Now you're dead. It does decrease. That's weird. Oh well. See, what else? What? Oh. Oh. Like, okay. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Like, okay. Like, check this fucking bad boy out. I messed up. I messed up. Damn it. Oops. There we go. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna do the thing where if the bullets were to hit each other, they cancel out one another. There we go. Yeah, you can program that. Copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, 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 copy, copy, pasta. Okay, this one's a special case. Only copy this. Not really, you could just copy paste a bunch of stuff. As usual. Oops. Okay, let's copy a few of these and then change it slightly so that the teacher doesn't notice. Wait, wait, no. G, here we go. G, here we go. And G, here we go. Then we just copy onto these two, and that should be it. Okay, let's give that a shot. Fire at will. Wait, what? Shit. Damn it, I broke something. Okay. It missed, like, every shot. Yes! Now, Bigot versus Small Bullet is... Yep. Perfect, perfect. Now I just gotta wait for the goddamn thing, hurry up. Wait, they do no damage? Oh, overheal. Damn, I need to fix that. Come on. 我自己测啊。Okay. Bigot versus Bigot. I couldn't. Alright, perfect. Okay, you know what? That works like a charm. Now the last thing to fix is the health, which is kind of weird. It is fixed here. Why did it do no damage? What the fuck? That's a usual tone, don't worry about it. God damn it. Come on. I'm pretty sure I messed something up. There, I collected several buckets of extra health. Yeah, it's only for the pink player. I definitely messed something up here. That's so weird. What happened? Oh my god. Ay ay ay. Okay, it's good now. I think that should be it. That's it. That's the game. There we go. It's just a simple little two-player game that you can just easily make in Game Maker. This video will go on to YouTube, and you could probably watch all of it and bask in glory for my like ridiculous mistakes. But yeah. Oh, I can make the thing move. Hang on. If I make the thing scroll. You make backgrounds move and makes games seem really interesting and alive. They are not moving because I put in the wrong one. There you go. Okay, that's it then. Oh right, one last thing to do. I need to set the hitboxes. Let's see. Okay. 24, 40. Okay. Hopefully there should be no like bouncy problems now. Get myself stuck here. That. That. Okay, near impossible. That's good. Last but not least, just change this to R. And maybe just do this just for fun. Yep, that's about it. Guerrilla Fighters. Simple, small little project that you can make in like 3 hours and a half, which is not too fast. I can do a lot faster in my opinion, but you know, rusty. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it and stuff. Yep, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I got rusty because I don't practice during the holidays, and that's exactly why